I've always been very active. I had a lot of issues with my knee. Definitely, it got a lot of wear and tear. In my early 20s, I had a skiing accident. I think that was the beginning of my issues. I think I waited like maybe 15 years to finally get my knee looked at. I had a complete knee replacement with Dr. Al-Yusuf. His staff is wonderful. The office is great. The people are awesome. They're accommodating. I can laugh with them. I can joke with them. They make you feel really comfortable. And when I need to call them, they take care of everything I need just like that. Dr. Al-Yusuf did the surgery. He's wonderful. He's very patient. He takes care of business. So he has a very good reputation. So that was another one of the reasons why I decided that I wanted him to be my surgeon. Dr. Al-Yusuf was more than happy to answer the questions that my husband had asked every time he went into my appointments with me. The X10. I used it 38 minutes 3 times a day. As the days went by, my progress was really getting better and better and better. And even my husband's impressed by it. He really is, and he's an engineer. What I really liked about the machine was that you can use it as much as you want. You are on your terms when you were using that machine. If you didn't want to go to 1 more pound, you don't have to. If you want to, you can. It's a lot of work, but I want to do it. I want to get better. I want to get that range of motion. I'm happy with the motion I have right now. I pushed myself yesterday to get 120. I feel like this has helped me out a lot. Thank you, Dr. Al-Yusuf. Thank you, Lisa. The X10's wonderful.